Here's some big news coming in. Hearing in the cruise drug case begins in Mumbai's Kila court. All three of the accused who've been arrested are present: Aryan Khan, Arbaz Merchant and Munmun Demcha. They're all present there. In fact, the lawyers there trying to seek permission to be communicating with Aryan Khan and the co-accused. But for now, you have Aryan Khan, Arbaz Merchant and Munmun Demcha who are currently present in court seeking bail. On the other hand, you have the NCB trying hard to get custody of them. The hearing in this case has just begun. In fact, multiple sections have been slapped on the three. Aryan Khan has been charged with consumption of drugs. Arbaz and Munmun have been charged with possession of drugs. Hearing in this cruise drug case begins now. All three accused in the court. Currently, advocates for all the accused have been asked to meet the accused for 5 minutes in person. All right, they've been granted permission to communicate with the accused for 5 minutes only in person. Remember, none of the accused and arrested people there have been able to speak to their lawyers or their family members as their phones have been seized by the NCB. And now you have permission that's been granted for Aryan Khan's lawyers to be communicating with him and even the co-accused for barely 5 minutes. In person, the communication can happen for only 5 minutes. NCB now, in the meanwhile, trying to seek custodial grilling of Aryan and two other co-accused. Divyesh, here, finally, it appears the court has granted 5 minutes communication with the accused. They are only allowed to speak to them in person for 5 minutes. Here you have quite a big deal for them to be defending because the drugs that have been seized was hidden and stashed, one in shoes and other bags. So this was with clear intention and very well aware that they were going to be consuming drugs and enjoying a party inside. They in fact, trespassed into a cruise ship, carrying drugs on them, enough for them to be consuming it and also maybe giving it to a few friends around them. For a matter like this to be taken up in court, it's very unlikely that they will get bail anytime soon.
Oh yes, Nabila, the sections that have been applied, as we earlier also pointed out, that the section 20B has been applied on the accused. So section 20B, as we had earlier also pointed out, is for possession, purchase or sale or manufacture of banned narcotic items, banned narcotic substances under the NDPS Act. And this is a very grave section which has punishment up to 10 years. So this is a very grave section. Other than the three other sections that have been applied, this is a grave section that has been applied against the accused, and that is why it is suspected that they might not be sent to judicial custody and they could be sent to NCB's custody for further interrogation. But it depends on the court. If the defense lawyers manage to persuade the court that they are first-time offenders and the court needs to be lenient with them and send them to judicial custody, they'll be sent to judicial custody, after which they can move for bail anytime and seek bail from the court once they are granted judicial custody. But that might not happen today because this is a holiday court, a special court that has been set up. They will have to go to jail, they will have to be in judicial custody, and only by tomorrow they can move bail in the Metropolitan Magistrates Court. But it also depends on the court to further whether they'll rely on the defense lawyer statements, they will be convinced or not, as section 20B has been applied against the accused along with sections 8C and 27 which have been applied for consumption. There are a variety of drugs that have been found. 4 types of drugs have been found on the accused persons. So that again makes the case very difficult, because if there was one particular drug, it could be that the defense lawyers could have managed to convince the court. But here we can see there are a variety of drugs. The intention here is very clear that they wanted to consume these drugs. These variety of narcotic drugs were meant for consumption. So the intent over here was very clear, and that is why the Narcotics Control Bureau could further seek custody. Again, the supply chain, which I had earlier also pointed out, that NCB ECD will be seeking their custody to get details on the supply chain. Who are the persons who actually supplied these drugs to them? Who are the peddlers? Who are the drug suppliers? Which is the cartel that has been operating, and these guys have been in touch with them. The drug syndicate needs to be busted, and that is why Narcotics Control Bureau, as per the charter of the agency, will try to dismantle this particular drug syndicate and will get this information, will try getting this information from the arrested accused so they could dismantle this particular drug syndicate operating in Mumbai city. Nabila?
Well, Divyesh, we see the visuals that's coming in of Aryan Khan and, of course, the two others who were brought in. Initially, they were literally covering their face and head with hoodies and with their shirt. But eventually, as the day has progressed, they've shed inhibitions. They're confident now. They're moving towards court. Nothing to cover themselves. Just with a plain mask, they're walking with quite some confidence. We see Aryan Khan approaching court. What did you see in their body language there? Initially, he was trying hard to cover his face, and now he just lets it go.